Hello, everyone, and welcome to SAP Security Sessions presented by Vicxer. My name is Jordan Santarsili. I am the founder of Vicxer, and it's with great pleasure that I'm introducing a new functionality that we have been working on, which is the Recovery Center. Starting today, the Recovery Center will be freely available to all of our existing customers free of charge. The idea behind the Recovery Center is that we have spent tons and tons of time understanding the different security and protection mechanisms that SAP has, how it works, and how it can be reverted. Suppose that you are working towards an SAP RISE implementation, you need to do a full migration, and you discover that the individuals behind the installation of the previous versions of SAP are no longer in the company. Fear not, thanks to SAP Recovery Center, nowadays it's not a problem. We will be able to help you, assist you in recover sensitive credentials and documents from the Ava Secure Storage, Business Option Secure Storage, HANA, etc., in a secure, efficient, and controlled way. It will no longer be a problem where you are stuck trying to change the right individuals for the right credentials or secrets. The Recovery Center will be able to assist you in no time with that task. Starting today, we're also launching a series of videos showcasing each one of the different functionalities for you to see how easy it is to recover these credentials. I hope you have liked the video and see you on the next one.